How does an AI know if its predictions are accurate? This is where the confusion matrix becomes incredibly useful. Imagine an AI designed to test for a disease. We compare what the AI predicted with the actual reality. This comparison is visualized in a 2x2 confusion matrix. It lays out 4 possible outcomes when an AI makes a prediction against what is actually true. First, a true positive. The actual reality is a disease, and the AI correctly predicts a disease. The AI got it right, catching the disease. Next, a false positive. The person is actually healthy, but the AI incorrectly predicts a disease. This is a false alarm, causing unnecessary worry. Then, a true negative. The person is actually healthy, and the AI correctly predicts healthy. The AI got it right, confirming no disease. Finally, the false negative. The person actually has the disease, but the AI incorrectly predicts healthy. This is the most dangerous outcome, as a critical disease is missed. And that's the confusion matrix: true positive, true negative, and false negative. Each outcome critically evaluates AI performance.